Look at that simple $20 repair. Got your clip, got your bushing. This is what got me to the store to get the parts. Yeah, that's pretty scary. You only need a shifter to get you in and out of gear though. Oh my goodness. Can't believe this. There we go.
All right, we'll get the boys.
No, that should be going on a little further. See, you get this. That'll slide right on there with your coupler. Snaps right on. Put your little E-clip right in behind there. Couldn't be more secure than that, actually. I don't want my E-clip to go in that way. I'd rather have it going this way. Because if you've got it going gravity-wise, it's not going to fall off. If you've got it like this, there's always a chance it could vibrate and fall off. So I always make sure my clips go on the other way. Just a guy fixing some stuff today. Give me a like and a subscribe if you love repairs. Go ahead and hit stop on this bad boy. That is my cable replaced.